A.O. Smith water heaters use built-in LED status lights and digital displays to quickly communicate what's happening inside the system. A steady green light means everything is operating normally and your unit is heating water as it should. If you see a red light, that indicates a fault condition, such as overheating, ignition failure, or a safety shutdown that needs attention. A flashing yellow light usually points to thermostat or heating element concerns, signaling that the unit may be struggling to regulate temperature properly. On newer models with digital screens, specific error codes provide more detailed information, making diagnosis faster and more accurate. If a red or yellow light appears, start with a basic reset. Turn off power at the breaker for a few minutes, then restore it. This clears minor control board glitches. Next, inspect wiring connections for looseness or corrosion, as poor electrical contact is a common cause of heating problems. For gas models, confirm the pilot light is lit and the gas valve is fully open. If you have a heat pump model showing codes like low suction pressure, professional service is recommended. For persistent issues such as no hot water, repeated shutdowns, or leaks, consult a licensed technician to ensure safe and proper repair.